Welcome inside a modern food factory where precision, hygiene and technology come together to create CrispyNest. Every day, carefully selected ingredients arrive at this facility and are inspected to meet strict quality standards. Only the finest raw materials move forward, ensuring consistency and great taste in every bite. Every day, carefully selected ingredients arrive at this facility and are inspected to meet strict quality standards. Only the finest raw materials move forward, ensuring consistency and great taste in every bite. Inside the factory, advanced machines clean, prepare and blend the ingredients with absolute accuracy. Stainless steel systems, automated controls and real-time monitoring help maintain perfect balance, texture and freshness throughout the process. As the mixture moves through the production line, it is shaped and cooked under carefully controlled temperatures. Robotic systems handle each piece with precision, ensuring even cooking, perfect colour and the signature crispy texture CrispyNest is known for. Golden CrispyNest pieces emerge from the line, freshly cooked and full of flavour. They are gently cooled, seasoned and prepared for packaging in a clean and controlled environment. Automated packaging machines seal each packet securely, locking in freshness and quality. Every pack is checked under bright inspection lights to ensure it meets exact standards before leaving the factory. Finally, the finished products are packed, loaded, and ready to be delivered to customers everywhere, bringing the taste of CrispyNest from this factory straight to your hands. This is how CrispyNest is made today, with innovation, care, and a commitment to quality.
Before leaving the factory, every pack of CrispyNest goes through final quality inspections. Weight, sealing, and overall product quality are carefully verified before the products are prepared for distribution. From here, CrispyNest is shipped to stores and customers nationwide. And that's how CrispyNest is made. A perfect combination of modern technology, quality control, and great taste. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more factory tours and food process documentaries. Thanks for watching.
Automated machines fill and seal each packet securely, preserving freshness and taste. From folding boxes to stacking cartons, humans and machines work together in perfect coordination. After cooking, the CrispyNest pieces are cooled, seasoned, and prepared for packaging.